Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Sephora affiliate marketing program, and maybe you're wondering, can you sell Sephora products, right? Can you recommend their products and make extra money on the side? Let's check it all out. Let's find out whether this is a good way for you to generate extra income, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, Sephora is a very large global beauty chain, okay? They've got physical locations in Southeast Asia and some other parts of the world, and they're also available online. So if you come to Sephora.com, for example, you may have seen this before, but you can sell all sorts of different things. You can buy makeup from them, everything from mascara to eyeliner to lip oil to cheek bronzers to highlighters, right? Skincare, fragrance, hair, tools and brushes, bath and body brands, all sorts of different categories here in the beauty space, essentially cosmetics and beauty. But here's the cool thing about Sephora is that you can recommend their products and also make commissions. This is through their affiliate program. All right. So if I head over to Sephora /beauty /affiliates, you can join their affiliate program. So if you want to check this out, all you need to do is head over here, right? And you can see, right, if you just read this, okay, basically earn extra commissions on all products without brand restrictions. Everyday free shipping over $50 and free samples with every order, exclusive newsletters and product sneak peeks, exciting promotions, affiliate-only special offers, right? So how does this work? So basically, companies all around the world allow you to join their affiliate program and recommend their products to people all over the world online. It could be through, your Instagram channel. It could be through your TikTok channel. If you think about it, right, a lot of businesses have become global businesses. So if you have a little bit of a following, you could literally recommend any product that you want through the Sephora affiliate program. Someone clicks on your link on maybe through your YouTube video or your TikTok video, and it leads directly to Sephora's link. And if they buy, let's just say it's a candle, then Sephora will pay you a specific commission on that sale. Really cool. This is just referral marketing, right? Companies have been doing this for a very, very long time. Now, I'm going to cover exactly how much you can make and all that stuff and how to sign up. So stick around and so you can, find out exactly how you can do that. All right. So if we come back to the affiliate page, all you really need to do is you need to fill out their online registration form right here. Okay. And they're going to contact you once we have reviewed and approved your site. And so we'll talk about this in a second, but just so that you can see how this works, if I was to click on this, it leads directly to Rakuten advertising. Now, Rakuten is a very, very large affiliate network. It's a platform, and they house a lot of global companies' affiliate programs. So Rakuten basically manages everything for Sephora in terms of their affiliate program. They'll do all their tracking links, all of the promotions, things like that. You would run through Rakuten. When you get paid, you would also get paid through Rakuten. That's how a lot of these big companies manage their affiliate programs, right? So you just fill in your details right here, email, first name, last name, password, and you can go, through the process and get your affiliate links specifically for Sephora's affiliate program. All right. Now, how does this work? Well, Sephora basically pays roughly between 5% and 7% for every sale that you make. So, for example, if you are selling, maybe some mascara, okay, and the mascara is $10, then you'll make 5% of the $10. Okay, so it's not a ton of money, but it's really about volume here. Okay, and when it comes to physical products, there are a lot of companies out there. There are a lot of physical product companies. If you think about it, most companies are physical. They sell physical items, right? So they can't pay super duper high commissions because there's manufacturing costs, there's shipping and handling, there's all that stuff. So 5% is pretty standard for this space, right? If you're selling physical stuff through affiliate marketing, you're referring their product, 5% is pretty standard. If you look at Amazon, Amazon is between 3 to 5% commission. So Amazon pays a little bit lower than some of the other companies. So I think Sephora offering 5% is pretty decent, okay? Now, in order for you to get paid out through Rakuten, you need at least $50 in sales made, right? Or in commission, made. And then what they'll do is there are different ways where you can get paid through Rakuten, right? Depending on where you live, it can be through check, it could be through bank transfer, also PayPal. There are multiple ways of being paid, and they pay between once and twice a month out to their affiliates. Really, really cool. So the big question is who is this affiliate program for, right? If you wanted to come here and sell Sephora products, because maybe, you're a lady and you use, makeup and skincare and, perfume and stuff like that from Sephora, and you're like, I love their products. I want to make some money from them. Can I recommend this to my people? Well, the cool thing is that anybody can sign up for this, get your affiliate links through Rakuten advertising, and then just promote it. Okay. Now, here's the thing. This is really only for people that have a following already. So if you're an absolute beginner, this may be a little bit more difficult because maybe you don't have a following on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, right? Or Snapchat, then it's a little bit difficult to recommend these links because you don't have a following for people to see your stuff and click on it. But if you're already somebody that has a little bit of a following, maybe you're a creator, maybe you talk about luxury and you talk about beauty and cosmetics, then it's very easy. You can literally come here, sign up for the affiliate program, grab a link. You can literally make a video on maybe your favorite eye masks that you get specifically from Sephora. And if you had like 500,000 followers, it's super easy. You drop your link, they're going to click on it and they're going to buy. That's kind of how affiliate marketing works, right? So I think it depends on who you are. If you're somebody who is already pretty experienced, you've been online for a little while, you're in the beauty space, maybe you have a beauty blog, right? And this is a thing that I want to mention here, is that unfortunately, they're not going to approve everybody, right? So if you have a social media platform where you have 0 followers, they may not approve you for their affiliate program because they want people that can actually drive sales, right? But if you had a beauty blog, a beauty website, maybe you had a TikTok channel or a YouTube channel where you've got a few thousand followers, maybe 10,000 followers, and you talk about beauty and things like that, they will approve you, right? So, there are pros and cons to this, okay? It doesn't mean that a beginner can't get started. And I want you to stick around because I'm going to show you how you can get started selling any affiliate product. It's such an amazing industry, all right? I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video, okay? But I think the Sephora affiliate program is pretty cool. They've made it pretty simple. Commission rates pretty standard for physical products in this space because that's usually how much they pay, 5, 6, 7%. All right. And how much money can you make? It really depends on you. It really depends on, how many followers you have, how active you are, how you're going to convert them. But I think that if you're a beginner, stick around. I'll show you how you can do this and still make money through affiliate marketing. It's an amazing industry. But if you're somebody that already has a following, you can just plug in right here very, very easily. Grab your affiliate link, start promoting Sephora products, and start making that money that way, okay? Now, if you're a beginner, right, on this channel, I have reviewed so many different strategies on how to make money online. And one of the main strategies I use to completely change my life, I've made millions with affiliate marketing. That changed my life, but I do it in a very, very specific way. And if you don't know how, sometimes you can leave a lot of money on the table or you may not make any money from affiliate marketing, okay? So you got to do it in the right way. And so if you're a beginner, or maybe you've been doing a little bit of affiliate marketing, but you're not making that much money. Maybe you're making a few $100 a month kind of thing. If you want to learn to get to $5, $10, $15, $20,000 a month through affiliate marketing, I've got a free training that's going to show you whether you're experienced or a beginner, step by step how to do that. And all you have to do is just click the link right below this video. I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you enjoyed this coverage of the Sephora affiliate program. I will see you on the next one.